Hi friends, I'm your well-wisher KS Jyoti. Here we'll talk about that for a while. थोड़ी देर We thought for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए सोचा कि I should make video or not. नहीं man. You're my well-wisher. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel also. Yes, and I also like, and you also like. Yes, so okay, they one waited for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए इंतजार किया. After that, they start barking again. दोबारा से start कर दी. Dog. Right. We slept for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए हम सोए. We slept for a while means थोड़ी देर के लिए सोए. ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ. Right? Yes. Did you work for a while? थोड़ी देर के लिए काम किया? Yes. I did work for a while. Then I slept. सो गया फिर. Right? She talked for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए बात की. After that, she did not talk. She talked for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए बात की. After that, उसके बाद, after that, we can say that she didn't talk. She didn't talk. Right? In this way, we use now. Okay, yeah. We thought for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए सोचा. Then I started my work. Why? Okay, then I started my work. My work. For a while means थोड़ी देर के लिए. They waited for a while. Then they have went. उसके बाद वो चले गए. After that, they went for a while. We can say that. After that they went. After that they went. Right? थोड़ी देर इंतजार किया. उसके बाद चले गए. ओके, मैंने आपका थोड़ी देर इंतजार किया. उसके बाद मैं चला गया. I waited for a while. Then I went. Then I left that place. In this way, you can speak now. Okay, yeah, we slept. She rested for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए उसने आराम किया. Then again she started work. फिर काम पे लग गई. ठीक है? She begins in this way, right? Yeah, we slept for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए सोए. Right? Again, woke up. Again, woke up. फिर उठ गया. So in this way, you can speak now. We did work for a while, then we went, then we left. In this way, you can speak. Okay, yes. John studied for a while. थोड़ी देर पढ़ाई की उसने. Then he went outside. Okay, then he went outside. In this way, you can speak. Right. It is very nice topic. Yes. For a while. For a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए वो यहाँ आया. फिर चला गया. Right. थोड़ी देर के लिए यहाँ आया. He came. He came for a while. Okay. Then he went away. चला गया. In this way we use now. Right? हाँ, थोड़ी देर के लिए सर आए और चले गए. सर, okay, sir came for a while then went. In this way you can use for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए, थोड़े समय के लिए आपको बोलना हो तो आप इस तरह से बोल सकते हैं. For a while. Right? For a while I. Yes, in this way we use now. थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई की. Then थोड़ा सा पढ़ाया. फिर सर चले गए. Right? Yes. Yeah. Sir taught. T-A-U-G-H-T. Sir taught for a while. For a while. And And he went away. In this way, we can say that. Yeah. थोड़ा बहुत समझाया. Then after that went. Right? Yes. Rahul understood. Understood. Okay, for a while. For a while. Then he left. We can say that. So in this way we can use. Yeah, थोड़ी सी पतंग उड़ाई उसने और स्टाइल प्रेजेंट कर दी. लाइक थोड़ा सा बोला. ओके, फॉर अ वाइल, थोड़ी देर. तो दैट टाइम वी यूज इट इज वेरी नाइस टॉपिक. यस, हाँ, मैं थोड़ा सा सोया और उसने मुझे उठा दिया. आई स्लैप्ड फॉर अ वाइल. थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं सोया. फॉर अ वाइल. For a while. She got up me. She got up me. In this way, easily. Please don't forget my subscribe. It is very nice topic. For a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए. Right? He came for a while and he went away. और चला गया. In this way. आप भी ऐसे करते हैं. थोड़ी देर के लिए आए और चले गए. And I think you came for a while, then went away. Scrolled. Please don't scroll it. Yes. Okay. Bye.